This is one heavy key, I'll tell you that. So definitely didn't go cheap on the key, because this is heavy. This is breaking windows. I'm just saying. Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to take some time since I haven't done one of these in a little bit. So we got a little car review going. So we are gonna be I'm gonna give you my honest opinion of the Maserati Levante or Levante. Kind of depends on how you say it. So don't kill me if I said it wrong, because I've heard it both ways. In a dealership, I've heard them say it in both those ways, so I don't know. So it's the Maserati SUV. This is the Q4. They have different ones. There's a sport one, and you know, just gets kind of crazier. But I wanted to give you guys my opinion on this for those of you who are looking at this car. So I'm gonna give you the day-to-day run. So first of all, it is a beautiful car. I'm gonna show you guys the interior and all that stuff when we get to like the beauty montage stuff, but I just want to give you guys a quick review on it and if it's a good buy. So the car drives great to me. It has speed, it has comfort seats. These seats are pretty comfortable, I'll tell you that. It has space in the back. I mean, you guys can't see it, but you should see how deep it is from just what we're looking at right here. There's a lot of room back there, and then the look of it, the look of the car is beautiful. A lot of people don't see these on the road, so if you're someone who wants an SUV that is like kind of like stealth mode, and then someone looks at it and then they go, oh my gosh, what is that? Yeah, this car fits that bill. Now it's not the speed of your Lamborghini trucks or whatever, but I'd beg to say that if you wanted speed and power, you can get that from the SUV. Great tech. All the stuff worked. So the Bluetooth, connecting it, and then playing like YouTube videos and music and everything from it, super easy. Pretty decent on gas, but I'll give you an example. It's decent on gas, but when you got to fill it up, you got to fill it up. It's gonna probably run you like $65–70 easily to fill this up, and that's depending on what gas prices are. Now, one of the things that if I would say my favorite feature in the car, which is super weird, right, is whenever you go to different modes, the car raises or lowers to make sure that the suspension fits that. So you can get from a nice, quiet, soft drive, and then you go to sport, and then it like drops, and you see the suspension going. And every time it happens, it pops up on the screen. Actually, I'll show you right now while we do it. Let me show you guys real quick. Let's take a look. So you guys see here, right? So we're looking at that. So we're in regular now, right? So let me make sure you guys don't miss what's gonna happen here. Okay, now watch what happens here. See that? Sport mode on. You see all that green stuff? See, it's gone now. All that green stuff just got activated. What it also does is it makes the exhaust note on the car sound, I mean, just to die for. What happened to my color? There we go. It's like, what happened to this thing? So yeah, so the exhaust note, listen, this thing, good job. That's one thing about the Maseratis. I can say they have great exhaust notes. They did a really good job with the exhaust notes. Now, should you buy it brand new is the question. So I'm always big on when you get a new car. So here's my take on a new car. While I'm talking about that, I almost forgot. Let me we got sunroof in this one. See that? Sunroof. See that? It's a big sunroof. It's actually is the whole middle of the car. So the sunroof in here, pretty nice. So anyway, so let me get back to that. Let me put that back in there. Pretty nice. Yeah, make sure you get the one with the sunroof. Make sure you get the one with the sunroof. So like I think I was saying, the trucks and just their cars as a whole, I love the exhaust note. Like my Gran Turismo MC has one of the best notes, I believe, in the game, but that's just me. Actually, not just me, a lot of people say that. I think one of the things that when you get the car, that for some people it's an adjustment, because I still don't like it. A lot of Mercedes have this thing where it shuts off when you're like driving and you're in stop mode, or you just stop. It shuts off, and the minute you take your foot off the brake, the engine comes back on and it goes. Now, keep in mind, I know it's probably for some safety thing. Maybe it's for whatever. It preserves something. I don't like it. So if you get this car, what I do is I just drive in sport mode all the time, and it works for me. So that's the quick review of it. You know, I'm gonna show you guys the car inside, outside, and all that. But do I think it's a great buy? Yes. If you're gonna buy it new, buy it as a lease. If you're gonna buy it pre-owned, get a year or two older, and you can save on the depreciation if you're gonna finance it. So you could probably get one low mileage in the 40s and 50s, you know. But if you buy brand new, you could be pushing upwards of 100K. But once again, if you do it on a lease, it works out, because you get it for 2 years, 3 years, whatever. You don't have to worry about depreciation, whatever, because you got it brand new. It's the other guy who's buying it after you that has to worry about all that extra stuff. So on that note, that's all I'm gonna say about it. I actually like it. Great drive. I love all the park. It's 360 parking, so you're able to see the parking all around you. So I'm completely on board with that. And you know, makes a great exhaust note when you're going there. Pretty decent on gas for an SUV. Great interior. The seats are great. There are some things, little things that, you know, you'd want to see higher quality, but here's the beautiful thing about it: you can get it as an option, so you can upgrade it. So yeah, on that note, guys, I'm going to stop talking, because I know you guys don't want to hear me talk anymore, and we are going to focus on the car. So let me do my best job of a beauty montage for you guys. All right, let's see what I can do here. I'm out. See you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the review. Like, share, and subscribe to what we're doing here. Beauty montage, and then we're out. See you guys later.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your